Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's Cooking. Today I'm going to be preparing chia seed pradhaman. Let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe and get started. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I'll be using Pure and Sure Falada products for this recipe. I've already done a detailed review about the product. All the products are very nice and they're organic products. Something new that I'm preparing, I'll be using chia seed, coconut sugar. If you don't have coconut sugar, you can use jaggery, and coconut milk. All the products used in this recipe is from Falada Pure and Sure. I will be soaking the chia seeds first. In a mixing bowl, I've added about 6 tablespoons of chia seeds. We need to soak this. You can either soak this in water or you can add all your ingredients and soak it. But you have to soak it for at least 5 hours. I will suggest you soak it in water first and then add your sugar and milk. It's up to you. So Falada products are high in quality and it's organic. Now once I've added the chia seeds, I'm adding the coconut sugar. If you don't have coconut sugar, you can use jaggery powder. I've combined the chia seeds and coconut sugar. I will be adding the coconut milk. You can see the coconut milk is nice and thick. This can be used even for the finishing. I really enjoyed Falada products. My mother especially has been enjoying their pepper powder. I'm yet to use their rasam powder. I've done a detailed review about this product and I've posted it on my blog. Once I've mixed all the ingredients, I'll allow this to rest for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours till the chia seeds double in volume. Now I'm going to start preparing the garnish. I'll be using the Falada coconut oil, cardamom powder, finely chopped fresh coconut, and cashews. The Falada coconut oil was a pure coconut oil. It is virgin coconut oil. We are really enjoying using this coconut oil and we have already used it in 3 different recipes. I've heated a fry pan on medium flame. To the fry pan, I'll add the coconut oil. Coconut oil melts. I'm just going to add the cashew nuts and the coconut. All the measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, friends. All the links to my social media will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also translated and posted on YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now the coconut and cashew nuts have fried. It's turning light brown in color. So once it reaches that light brownish color, I'm just going to switch off the flame and I'll garnish the chia seed payasam. So at this point, my chia seeds have soaked and it's doubled. It has soaked up all that coconut milk and it also requires a little bit of extra coconut sugar. I ended up using half a cup of coconut sugar for this recipe. So as I was preparing this recipe, I was just adjusting everything accordingly. Once the chia seeds have doubled, I've transferred it to a mixing bowl and I've added the coconut sugar. I've also added 1 cup of extra coconut milk and the cardamom powder. Using a balloon whisk, I'm just going to mix all the ingredients. I've mixed the fried cashew nut and coconut. Now my chia seed paisam is ready. I've gone ahead and served it. Finally, I've garnished it with the cashew nuts and fried coconut. Finally, I've garnished the paisam with the fried coconut and cashew nuts, and I've served it. It tasted traditional and turned out really good. Do try this recipe, friends. I for sure recommend the Falada Pure and Sure products. It turned out really good and we enjoyed it. I've gone ahead and served my chia seed pradaman. My parents and the entire family enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching, friends.